Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Wednesday market webcast. All right, so third day in the shortened week. Tomorrow is a market holiday. Friday is a half day. Globex closes at 1 or 1:15 Eastern time. So what the bulls have done here is they have broken out of this range that we've been stuck in. You can see it here. They broke out, converted the 9-day. They tested hourly mid-band yesterday morning, right off the open, first 10-15 minutes, and they never looked back. The afternoon got a little choppy. They did they did a higher high versus the second vaccine pop from back on the 16th. It's one of the levels we talked about yesterday morning. So we talked about it, if they go to the upside, seeking 23, seeking 50. I think we talked about that in the room. All that's left to the upside now is 68. So we've seen some pushback last night. I think it was due for some pushback. What I want to see off the open today is whether this hourly mid-band wants to be resistance. If it does, then they can try to push it back in towards 3,600. If not, you'll see it climb back on the top of the 36 to 38 area. And then as we get into later in the day, they go ahead and they run it back towards 50. And that's how we go into the holiday. Door number 3 is basically they kill the vol, which they did yesterday afternoon for about 4 hours, and they just chopped it. If that happens, my suggestion is you go ahead and start your Thanksgiving, because you're going to have to take too many trades and get chopped up too much to find the next move. So on the move to 50, we were there from 32, but the number of the length and the degree of chop that it took to get that move, it was exhausting. We found the move, but it's just a lot of chop, and I don't want to see people doing that today. Volume weighted average price 38.30. Hourly mid-band, 36 and change. Our proprietary moving average is sitting right here on price, 30.5, and so is the 5-minute mid-band. So we open in about an hour and a half, and we'll see how it goes. Just be very aware if they take, if they take the vol away and we start to glide into the holiday. If we do, then you glide into the holiday right with them. It's been a very good week. It's been a very directional week. It's been a week where, we've been able to get in the room. We've been able to get our week done a few times over. Heading into Wednesday, so we don't need to go crazy and trade a bunch today. We'll hit our daily number, and then we'll see what the market wants to do for us. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Have a very happy Thanksgiving. So many things to be thankful for. But I will say to you, to everybody who watches this, whether you've watched it one time or whether you've been watching it for 5, 6, 7 years, I appreciate it, and I'm incredibly grateful for it. Take care. Be safe. Be healthy. Be thankful, especially in this environment. Be kind. Trade them well. I'll be back Friday. Take care. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.